Well, there's the sign. The driveway replacement starts today. And back here where the guys are working, or parked I should say, they've got a hauler and a bobcat to get started. So it's going to get noisy real soon. This is starting to look pretty serious now. They're bringing in the heavy hitters. Okay, I will be getting back with you. Here comes the digger, or excavator. Here we go, coming down the ramp. What?
My watch. I forgot to plug it in last night.
There goes the old asphalt. Well, this is the progress of the driveway update. There's the main road. All the asphalt is gone. Right up to my front porch. I'll step out here so I can take a look. And everything is gone all the way to the garage. And there's a bobcat waiting for work tomorrow. I plan on pouring the concrete at 9 a.m. So I'll give you an update then. Good morning, everyone. It's Tuesday morning, the 31st of July, and this is the progress on the driveway. All the asphalt is gone. The forms are in. Still got a bobcat in my driveway they've got to finish up. And that's looking out to the road. So today the concrete is supposed to be poured and it's supposed to arrive around 9 a.m. So we'll see how that goes. And after that's done, I will shoot some more footage. Okay, I'll see you again soon. Well, here it begins, guys. The truck's here, they're filling up the cart and going to start pouring concrete in my driveway. I'll get some more video later. Well, this is the progress of the driveway. This just got poured. I'm going to swing around here. And they're working around the corner all the way back to the garage right now. It sure is going to be nice. I'm excited. Okay, I'll do another progress update a little later on. Hey guys, along with the driveway, did some landscaping in front of the house. The plants were here, but put the edging and all the stones in. Probably going to put some plants in here next year. I'll bring you along with me. Got to work on my grass a little bit. And then over here, this bed of dirt has got edging, and we're going to plant, we like wildflowers, so we're going to plant some zinnias in there next spring. But here's the driveway now. I got some cones at the end. I'll swing around. I've got grass planted on both sides, or one side, the other side's against the house. Got my hose out here because I've been working and shoveling, and the driveway's a little bit messy. But boy, what a beautiful job. So that is it, the complete driveway, other than me hosing it down and cleaning it, and the grass coming up. So maybe once the grass comes up, I'll do another little recording then. So thanks for viewing, everyone. Hope everyone has a good day.